Hi, this is Todd with the keyless entry remote. I'm here to show you how to replace the key fob battery. The key fob I'm going to show you today is compatible with the 2007 through 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. The part number, which is located on the back, reads 15186201. To disassemble the key fob, all you need is a screwdriver. Now, I find the easiest way is to go to the bottom and give it a twist. The battery is located here. To take out the battery, take your screwdriver and then pop this one out. The battery reads CR2023. And to replace the battery, just snap it back together and reassemble the fob. And that's it. If you need to order a replacement battery or an actual key fob remote, visit us online at keylessentryremotefob.com or call us at 402-671-5100. Again, the number is 402-671-5100. Thank you.